The profession of massage therapy is changing, and we've designed a program that keeps up with those changes.
My name is Stefania Johnson. I'm a registered massage therapist in British Columbia, have been since 2007, and I've been in massage education since 2014. I was senior instructor. I ran the clinic department, the practicum department, lots of experience getting students tuned up right at that final stage of their program.
My name is Taylor James Laviolette. I am a registered massage therapist from Vancouver, British Columbia, and I have been in massage therapy education since 2009. I am also a continuing education provider for massage therapists here in Canada as well as the US. And I have had the pleasure of speaking at a couple of international pain conferences. With this program, we won't just be making massage therapists for entry to practice. We will be helping to create the most compassionate, curious, evidence-based massage therapy practitioners that we have seen to date.
Most massage therapy programs are still teaching outdated, archaic explanations of how and why massage works. And Rhodes was really welcoming in updating that narrative and explaining within the curriculum more of the complexities of why people are in pain.
One of the other things that makes this program really different is the integration of a holistic framework for care delivery with a respect for scientific inquiry. What most other programs are doing are teaching the professional development pieces separately from the clinical integrative classes. So that's one of the things that's going to make this program quite a bit different, is that we have woven into every single class aspects of trauma-informed care, communication skills like nonviolent communication, motivational interviewing, even borrowing from other psychological interventions such as CBT or DBT. Have to borrow from them to get the basic communication skills to communicate with the person that's in front of us, because ultimately this is about affecting people and caring for people.
Massage therapy programs are traditionally very challenging, and that's not going to be different here because the standard curriculum across the board requires us to teach biology, anatomy, physiology, orthopedics, pathology, surgery and medication interventions. It's a really robust curriculum. What's different about Rhodes and what makes it, I think, more attainable here is that we've stretched out that curriculum a little bit longer over 6 semesters. Some schools are doing it in a shorter time, and it's really common to be in class 5 days a week, every week. So with Rhodes, having 2 full days in person to really focus on those hands-on skills and focus on the learning you have to be there in person to achieve. And then 2 mornings where you're learning online at home, live with an instructor, not self-guided, you're still directed and you still have a team supporting you. But you have a little bit more time to breathe and study and soak in the material in between classes. You're stepping into a career that's meaningful, full of potential, and full of growth. We hope you join us.